In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a group chat in Google Meet. With remote work and virtual meetings becoming more prevalent, knowing how to effectively use tools like Google Meet can enhance your communication experience. Let's dive right in and get you set up with group chats during your Google Meet sessions. First, ensure that you have a Google account signed in. This is the key requirement to access Google Meet, as it integrates seamlessly with other Google services. Once you've confirmed your sign-in, open your web browser and navigate to Google Meet. You can do this simply by typing in meet.google.com in your address bar and then hitting enter. You'll be directed to the Google Meet homepage where you can schedule a new meeting or join an existing one. If you're launching a new meeting, click on New Meeting, which you'll find right on the homepage. A small drop-down menu will appear providing you with options such as Create a meeting for later, Start an instant meeting, or Schedule in Google Calendar. Choose the option that fits your needs. If you go for scheduling in Google Calendar, it will allow you to set a specific date and time, and you can invite participants directly by selecting them from your contacts. Now, once the meeting has started, or when you're part of an ongoing meeting, you're ready to create a group chat. Look for the chat icon, generally located at the bottom of the meeting screen or on the right sidebar if you're using the expanded view. Clicking this icon opens up the chat window. Here, you can easily send messages to everyone participating in the meeting. Your chat messages will appear to everyone, so it's important to keep communications clear and relevant. If you need to address someone privately, Google Meet's built-in chat does not support private messages, so it might be helpful to coordinate in advance via email or another messaging app for those personal conversations. Additionally, it's good practice to remind all participants that the chat messages are visible to everyone present, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Managing a group chat is not just about sending messages, but also about keeping the discussion focused. Encourage participants to use the chat to share resources, add relevant comments, or raise questions without disrupting the vocal conversation. This can foster more engaged and collaborative discussions. Lastly, before ending the meeting, remember to save any important links or resources shared in the chat. You can do this by copying the chat transcript to a document for future reference. Now, you're all set to enhance your virtual meetings with organized and effective group chats in Google Meet. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you in your future virtual communications.